Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So happy Saturday. It is Saturday morning. It is 10:13 a.m. Today I have my sister-in-law's baby shower. So I got up around 8, showered, got ready. I have the pups' food on the stove right now, and I'm ready to rock and roll. It doesn't start until 2 o'clock. It takes me like an hour and a half to get to where it is. But I want to show up early and help set up. So I will bring you guys along with that, but first I will show you my outfit. So here's the fit of the day. I have this cute little, it's like a blue leopard print dress, and it has this little cinch thing so I can kind of pull it up. It has this like wavy or like flowy bottom. Love it. And these little buttons right here. And then I've put a leather jacket over it. And I'm wearing this double layered necklace, which I super love, just 2 little bars. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing tall black socks and then my black booties, which I wear legitimately all the time. So this is the fit for the day. It's a little, I don't know, it's kind of edgy, a little funky, but I love it. My mother-in-law and sister-in-law do not know I'm coming early. So when I'm like down the street, around the corner, I'm gonna pick up some donuts, surprise them. Hey, here to help you guys set up and get this thing going. Let's eat some donuts and have some fun. All right, I'm gonna finish cooking the pups' food, head out the door, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I just left at a red light. It is going to take me an hour 29 to get there. I only have a quarter tank of gas, so I'm gonna have to get some gas and get my tush over there. So I just filled up my car with gas, and I realized that I pass my usual donut shop literally on my way to the freeway, so I figured I would just stop there because I don't know where the donut shops are in that area, and I don't know which ones are good, which ones aren't, and it's probably gonna be out of the way because I live in a kind of rural-ish area. So I'm just gonna go here where I know things are good, pick up a dozen, and yeah, finish my route over there. Getting me some donuts, getting me some donuts. So I got the donuts, but they were basically out of everything, so I don't even know what's in here, but hopefully they'll like it. So I'm still driving there. I've been driving for about 40 minutes, still have 51 minutes until I get there. But I just wanted to update you guys. I'm starting to feel so sick. Whenever I don't eat, I get like really shaky and my stomach hurts, and I haven't eaten yet today. And you know, usually I can kind of make myself forget that, you know, if I'm gonna eat soon. But having these donuts, I should have gotten them when I was closer, because smelling this for 40 minutes is just, it's like torture. And then I didn't want any like spillage or anything to happen, like if I had to break quickly or something. So I was like, really tape that bad boy up, really get in there. So they did. So I couldn't even access the donuts if I wanted to, which actually I do right now, but it's not an option. So I'm just suffering, and you know, I really want this to just be a good deed, surprise them with donuts, and you know, things are just really not working out in my favor right now. Look how incredible this weather is. These are like Toy Story clouds. So beautiful. These are a bunch of just like orchards, and usually like during spring and stuff, these are absolutely stunning. I don't know what types of trees they are. I'm not real good like that, but it's really cool. All right, I've arrived. Okay, well, so much for my grand entrance. I'm gonna have to call them. Okay, but now they know I'm here, so like it's not quite as, you know, surprise, but here we are. Help and donuts have arrived. We are building some charcuterie boards.
It's not done, so this is what's going on. It's just the base is going to go across that whole TV section behind the checker. It's going to go between the tables. Oh,
I know, we're like trying to figure out what we're doing for our. We don't really have room right now. This looks amazing. You did so good. How incredible this cake is. Look how absolutely stunning all of this is. And the barn, it's all made out of wood. My father-in-law and grandpa-in-law built that by hand. They finished it like an hour ago. It looks incredible. Yeah. I thought it'd be for like, car seat or like in a stroller, so it's not like falling everywhere, but still really cozy.
Stop it. You should go get over there and prepare her bread. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have her come stand by you.
Yeah, this is my sister-in-law. The best sister-in-law. Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh my God.
It's about 7:30. I just got home. Oh, look at my angels. So I'm finally home. Oh my gosh, it has been such a long day. I feel so bad. Darren drove out to the Roseville Galleria to try to get us a dinner reservation or like get us on the wait list. Unfortunately, all reservations were full, wait list, none. So we do have a dinner date night tomorrow. He was able to get us a dinner reservation at Ruth Chris tomorrow at 8 p.m. So we're really excited about that. We are overdue for a date night, plus in California, everything's supposed to be closing again pretty shortly. So we need to go on a date night before everything shuts down again. It is outside seating and it's kind of cold, so you need to like dress appropriately. But with that in mind, it's doable. So tonight he is, actually in 4 minutes, he is picking up an order he called in at one of our favorite sushi restaurants, Mikuni's, and we are going to do a little date night in, make the most of the weekend because we both had a pretty hectic week. So really excited about that. But for now, I just started the pups' dinner on the stove and we're just gonna relax tonight. Maybe I can get some editing in for that video that's supposed to go up in like 3 days that I haven't finished. Okay, I'm gonna go change. Thought I'd show you guys our sushi really quick. So we got it from Mikuni's, and this one is an incredible roll. It has spicy tuna, shrimp tempura, either white or yellow tuna on top, and it's torched, and then I have green onion on it. And then this one is, I think it's called the Fair Oaks roll, and that one's just shrimp tempura and avocado. I got extra green onion, and then we just cut up additional green onion and put even more on there because I absolutely love it. It does come with a few sauces on top, and then I just dip it in soy sauce. So yeah, we are ready to rock and roll. And then we got some spicy edamame as well. So yeah, ready to enjoy dinner. Sunday morning, I showered, got ready, just finished some coffee, and I'm working on editing the video for Tuesday. I accidentally edited 2 weeks out video instead of the one that's going up in 2 days. So this is the one where I'm taking the blood test for food sensitivity. And as I'm editing this was from like a week ago. While I'm doing that, I get this email from Everlywell telling me that apparently there wasn't enough blood on the paper, so they can't even test it. So they're gonna send me a replacement kit and I have to do it again. If you haven't seen my video that I'm editing right now, it should be up like 2 weeks before this. It was quite an event trying to get that blood. If you haven't watched that video, you're definitely gonna wanna watch it. I will add a card up here. But it took so much to get that. And now I have to do it again. I'm just really debating if it's even worth it. I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. But I'm gonna finish editing this and I'll bring you guys back when I'm doing something more interesting. We just wrapped up another paint and sip, and it turned out really well. Also, I tried to order containers like this size of paint, and I accidentally ordered a black and a white, this gigantic tub. So yeah, we've got a lot of paint storage to do now, but here, let me see the photo. So here's the photo we're recreating. You can't really tell on camera, but that kind of beigeish color is actually a fairly bright yellow. And then, wait, this is your painting. That's your painting. That's not, okay. He's showing off a picture, a photograph of his painting. Why, to make yours look more accurate? There we go. So it's wine coming out of the wine glass, and then it writes love. So yeah, Darren definitely stuck with more of the true color scheme here. I went with more of like a Valentine's Day color scheme. You can't really tell, but it's like a blush and white background.
Is that blue and white?
It's not blue, it's blush. Just trying to trick you guys. And then while we were painting, we were watching Close Encounters of the Fifth Kind, Contact Has Begun by Stephen Greer. If you haven't watched any of the Stephen Greer documentaries, you absolutely have to. They are amazing. Okay, so we are going to clean up everything here, take off my apron, of course, and probably just hang out for the next couple hours. It is 4 o'clock right now. Our reservation for dinner at Ruth Chris is 8 o'clock. We're gonna try to get there at 7:45. So we still have quite a bit of time. It is about 6 o'clock and I decided to use my extra time to clean. So I wiped down all the counters, I swept, put everything away, and then I decided I'm gonna go back to organizing. So I cleaned out and organized our snack cabinet. Before, this was all like pouring out. It was stacked all the way to the top. There were things like falling in the corners. And turns out majority of the stuff was expired. So got rid of that stuff. And then I went on to this cabinet here and organized it all. I filled an entire trash bag with our different like sauces and oils that were expired, which is concerning. And so now we've got half the amount, so I've organized all of that. And then here I also organized all of like our different coffee, our cookbooks and everything. This one was a hot mess, so I'm really satisfied with how it turned out. So just getting some organizing done. And I'm not really sure which I'm going to do next. This cabinet isn't too bad. It has maintained some of my organization from a couple months ago, but I might just spruce it up a bit. It is right now 6:04. All right, it is now 6:30. We have Scooby-Doo on for the pups, and I have organized yet another cabinet. Super excited about that. Looks a lot better. Didn't have too much to throw away here. In this cabinet, I haven't tackled the top. And this one, it's not really organized, but I did get rid of a ton of stuff. I checked all the dates and got rid of everything expired. So step one is done here. And then, yeah, I have to do the other shelves. And then, yeah, this one is a hot mess again. Always. This one becomes so messy so quick. It's so frustrating. So maybe I will tackle those tomorrow because we are leaving in 45 minutes to go to dinner. So now I'm gonna get ready for dinner and then I will show you guys my fit once I'm dressed. Okay, I am ready to go for date night. We have to leave in the next like 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit. Okay, so here's the fit. I've got a black turtleneck knitted sweater, French tucked into these dark jeans, and then I've got some tall boots on. Under here, I have a thermal turtleneck black shirt and really thick fleece-lined leggings. You can tell my zipper is like not used to this extra material here. And these technically are over the knee boots, but I have them kind of scrunched down because with the extra material, my leg is significantly thicker and I don't want to stretch out the boot, you know? So this is what we're working with. I'm extremely bundled up. Yeah, we are ready to go. Because it is raining, tonight is going to be the first night we are letting the pups stay inside while we are gone. We have never, ever done this before. And I'm nervous. We're gonna block off the hallway so they can't access the office, any of the bedrooms, anything like that. And we're just gonna leave them with like the living room. We're gonna put on Scooby-Doo for them. I don't know if you can hear it, but we still have Scooby-Doo blasting in like the TV area, but we're gonna play Scooby-Doo for them because it's their favorite. Leave them with some treats. Of course, they have all their toys out there and just hope for the best. So I will update you guys on if that worked out in our favor or not when we get back. They've never destroyed furniture, but feeling abandoned can do crazy things for dogs. So pray for us. Just got to Ruth Chris. I'm in the bathroom. Wanted to just fix myself before I get seated. This lighting is crap, but yeah. I'm gonna go find Darren.
I belong to you.
So we just finished dinner. It is 9:30, so we are on our way to find out if the pups behaved. Hopefully they did. As we were paying the bill, the guy was like, oh, if you ever come back, like, here's my card.
His name was Jim.
Yeah, his name was Jim. And Darren's like, okay, great. We'll take a reservation for Wednesday. And I was like, no. No,
Guaranteed date night.
We're not coming back here in like 3 days, or no.
I said next Wednesday.
Okay, no, we negotiated for that before he's like, let me go check the reservations. And he walked away and I was like, excuse me? No. So now, we negotiated for, me and Darren negotiated for next Wednesday. So now I guess next Wednesday we'll be coming back. He's out here trying to eat here every night. Like,
hey,
what?
Jim gave me his
What is
business
happening?
card.
Yeah, he did, which surprising. I don't know a lot of restaurants have business cards, but
yeah, that actually confused me too.
okay, I will show you guys whether or not the pups behave themselves when we get home. Pray for me.
Go!
Oh my goodness! Okay, let's do a walk. Let's do a walk. Okay. Everything is intact. We've got a few fallen pillows. Okay. Things. Are you serious?
No, I'm good.
Oh. Okay. Everything is intact. Everything's intact. You missed it. Okay, so we are home. They did not tear apart anything, not even any of their toys. The Netflix did turn off, so they weren't able to watch Scooby-Doo the entire time, but hopefully it was playing for most of it. Overall, I think they have earned our trust, and we are really excited because now that it's rainy season, this is really gonna come in handy to be able to leave them inside and not have to make them get wet outside. So this is really, really awesome. Yay! Since it is Sunday night, I'm going to end the weekend vlog here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. The pups are having major zoomies outside. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting.